everyone! Welcome back to our home video cooking tutorial. Today's video is we are going to cook Crispy Lechon Kawali. Our ingredients are lemongrass, black pepper, laurel, salt, and lastly is our pork belly. Any cut, any size, it depends on you. Then, we are going to boil our meat to make it tender together with our other ingredients. In our case, we use pressure cooker to make the tenderizing process faster. After it becomes tender, we are going to poke our tenderized pork belly. Then, we are going to wipe it using table napkin and add salt. Then we are going to dry it under the sun for about 2 hours. Cut the skin, then wipe it again using table napkin. And now, we are going to fry it, and please be very extra careful while frying the pork belly to avoid skin burn. And when it's done, let it rest before serving. Enjoy your Crispy Lechon Kawali, your home cooking dreams!